Hello everyone, and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. In today's video, I am going to show you how I created my lamp to put over my kitchen table. So without any further ado, let's just get started. I have been searching on the internet for a lamp that I might like, and I found the prices were a little bit high. And I figured that I probably could do something myself at a much lower cost. As you can see here, $279.99, and another one here, $200. And they seem to be way over what I wanted to pay. I just did a kitchen renovation and I wanted to have something cost effective. So I decided to create my own. I went to Winners and found this beautiful basket. It's a nice size and I only paid $24.99 for it plus the taxes. And then I went to Home Depot and picked up what I needed to create a pendant light. So I got this cord that I'm going to cut the plug off in order to make it a pendant light to the ceiling, a cap, and some little attachment that I need to attach to the ceiling. This thing that you put the light on has a little piece that just screws on, and that's what makes it so easy for me to transform this lamp. It's anybody can do this. Anybody can take a basket and make a lamp with it. You're going to see how easy this is. So I'm just scrolling this last piece higher to the top so I can make some room in order for this bottom part to go through the basket. So I need to put this top part as high as I can possibly can so that I can put the basket and then put the bottom piece back on. I'm taking a measuring tape and a marker and I'm going to mark the middle of my basket, and this is where the piece will attach. Now I'm taking a utility knife, and right in the middle of that basket there is a little piece of wood, and I just need to cut about 2 inches off that little spindle piece of wood that's in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and try to push some of this wicker to the side to give me a better chance to see how much I need to cut off of that middle wooden spindle. It's not working out very good with the utility knife, so I went ahead and grabbed some pliers with the part where you can just cut there on the top and see how this works out for me. And this little spindle is a lot harder to cut than I anticipated, but I'll get through it. Now that I have the spindle removed, I just have to make sure that I have enough room in there to put the light piece on. And turn it over and put on that bottom little screw piece and just attach it. But I think that I might add another piece to this bottom part because I feel like it might be a little flimsy. So I'm going to modify this in a minute. The basket has got some decent weight to it and it is attached well, but I'm just going to make it a little bit more secure in a minute. Now I'm going to cut the plug part out of this wire in order to attach it to the ceiling. So I'm going to determine how much of this wire I need and just cut the rubber off of it a little bit in order to expose the wires that are inside to attach to the wire of the ceiling. Now I'm going to open this package and remove my cap ready for install, and I'm noticing as I'm opening this package that it has all the attachment needed for the ceiling part. So I didn't need those extra attachment that I had purchased. Everything is in there that you need. Now I'm removing that last piece of plastic on the bottom that I screwed on, and I'm going to use a piece of wood and trace this black piece onto the piece of wood and cut the hole with a utility knife. If you have a drill that has a tool to cut a hole would be better, but I'm just using a utility knife and that will do the trick. Takes a little bit longer, but it does the job. So I'm using just a styrofoam piece that I have here so I don't damage my table, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. Now that I have this cut off, I'm going to put the wood piece on first and then screw that plastic piece back on, and it's going to make the lamp a lot sturdier, and I'm not going to be afraid that it's going to come off on the top. Now I'm using my pliers again and taking these handles off. This is the lamp that I had before. It's still in really good shape, but I just got tired of the look and I wanted a wicker lamp. And now that this lamp is ready to install, I'm just going to get my hubby to install that to the ceiling wires for me. In order to figure out exactly where I want to put the hook to attach the cord to, because I don't want to drill another hole to the ceiling, so I'm just going to put a hook and just attach the pendant wire to it. And the way we figure it out would be the best is to put a flashlight in the middle of the table and put the table exactly where we want it, so that way we know exactly where to put that hook in order for the lamp to set right in the middle of the table. And this is the final product. This lamp ended up costing me $42 versus all those high prices that I have seen on the internet, and it's actually a really good size. I'm really happy on how it turned out. So let me know in the comments down below your thoughts, and I would love big thumbs up. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel and you like my videos, well, today is a perfect day to join my YouTube channel. Until next time, folks, have a wonderful day.